Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching my channel Red Talk. I am Riddhi Santosh Sathe and in today's video I am going to speak about Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi, who was born on 2nd October 1869. He was born and raised into a Hindu family in coastal Gujarat and he was trained in the law at the Inner Temple in London and was called to the bar at the age of 22 in June 1891 to represent an Indian merchant in lawsuit. It took 2 uncertain years in India where he was unable to start a successful law practice. He decided to move to South Africa in 1893 to represent an Indian merchant in lawsuit. He lived in South Africa for over 21 years and it was heard that he raised a family and first employed non-violent resistance in a campaign for civil rights. In 1915, aged 45, when he returned to India, he soon set about organizing farmers, peasants, urban laborers to protest against excessive land tax and discrimination. But assuming the leadership of Indian National Congress in 1921, Gandhiji led the nationwide campaign, easing poverty, expanding women's rights, building religious and ethnic amity, ending untouchability, and rather than this, was achieving Swaraj, that was self-rule. Gandhiji adopted a short dhoti woven with a handspin yarn as a mark of his identification with India's ruler poors. He began to live in a self-sufficient residential community to eat simple food and undertake long fasts as a means of both introspection and political protest. His vision of an independent India was based on the religious pluralism that was challenged in the early 1940s. A religious violence broke out especially in Punjab and Bengal. But abstaining from the official celebration of independence, Gandhiji visited the affected areas attempting to alleviate distress. He took several hunger strikes to stop the religious violence. But the last of these began in Delhi on 12 January 1948 when he was 78 and had an indirect goal of pressuring India to pay out some cash assets owed to Pakistan. But although the government of India relented, as did the religious routers. A belief that Gandhiji had been too resolute in his defense for both Indian and Pakistani Muslims spread it among some Hindus in India. And among these was Nathuram Godse, a militant Hindu nationalist from Western India who assassinated Gandhiji by firing 3 bullets into his chest at an interfaith prayer in Delhi on 30 January 1948. Really, hats off to those freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Ambedkar and Gandhiji. Dr. Ambedkar, who gave us the thought of equality, ending untouchability. Really, hats off to those freedom fighters who fought for our independence, who fought against the British rulers who ruled on us. Their thought of independence is still there in our heart. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so you will be notified every time I'm on YouTube. I'm Riddhi Sathe signing off for now and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.